It's just... someone tried to strangle me. And I survived. I don't need to hide that.
Little ghost, you're listening. Unlike most, you don't miss a thing.
I didn't hear anything.
You see the truth. I walk the halls invisibly. I climb the walls, no one sees me. No one but you. You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard. My wounded wings still beating. You've always loved the strange birds inside.
Lidiya, I'm not sure anybody hears what you hear.
No idea what you are, do you? The wailing woman. Banshee.
So take my hand and perfectly we fill the gaps. You and me make three. I was meant for you and you for me. You've always loved the same birds. Now I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard.
I'm really spending every minute looking for you.
Just like me, Lidiya. Look like the innocent flower, but with a serpent under it.
You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard.
I don't know why I am the one that keeps finding the bodies.
My wounded wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger inside.
If I just stop trying to fight it.